guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today we have a product from Fifine K050 mini gooseneck microphone. Great for podcast, live stream, gaming, and voiceover. You can pick up this microphone for $15.99. Comes in 4 different colors: black, rose red, silver, and blue. I opted for the black one. As you guys know, I like my gadgets color black or white. I was surprised with the build quality, all metal build, slim design with rubber padded steady metal base. Really lightweight and compact. Height is around 6.1 inch with metal tubing design so you can easily adjust the microphone position. Does come with 6 feet long USB cable and works with laptop and desktop. Just plug and play. Now keep in mind this video's voiceover was recorded with Fifine K050 microphone, so you guys can hear the sound quality. While recording, my mouth was 2 feet away from the microphone. You guys are hearing the raw audio sound, no edit was done. Fifine does make some good quality budget microphone, so if you guys are in budget, then you can't go wrong with Fifine K050 mini gooseneck microphone. There will be a product link in the video description. Don't forget to check out. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next one.